Yes, Ndavikas here. Today, we want to look at some concepts in Excel about time, and we want to see how we can introduce time in time functions in Excel. Now, we have to look at two major ones. The first one is today function, and the other one is now function. If we use the today function, you'll find exactly the time that you are working on. And if you use the now function, you'll get the day plus the time. Now, what you need to note about this function is that they return the serial numbers that represent the current system date and time. So whichever is in your computer or your machine is the one that will be picked. Again, the today function assumes the 12 p.m. as the time, while again the now function returns the actual time. It's again very important to note that the both of these functions will automatically calculate each time you change or open the workbook. So don't use these functions as your timestamp for the record.